Preparation of lubrication point. Clean the lubrication point prior to installation to protect the inside of the bearing against contamination. Remove the grease nipple and check the thread size for the perma reducer. Apply thread sealant to the reducer and to all other connecting parts and screw them into the lubrication point. Pre-fill lubrication point and all accessory parts with lubricant. Be sure to use the same lubricant that is filled into your lubrication system. Always follow the manufacturer lubrication instructions. For remote installations, please ensure that all accessories and crease lines are pre-filled with grease. Activation. Our free Perma Select software or the chart in the Perma catalog can assist you in finding the most suitable discharge period and activating screw for your application. To activate Perma FUTURA or Perma Classic, hold the lubrication system with the lubricant outlet facing down. Take the activator screw and screw it into the lubrication system. When the activator becomes hand tight, take a screwdriver and insert it through the O-ring. Turn until the O-ring breaks off and the lubrication system is activated. Shake the lubricator to check activation. Write the activation and the expected replacement date into the intended field on the lubricator label before installation. Installation. Remove the outlet plug and screw the lubrication system into the lubrication point hand tight. After the discharge period has elapsed, Perma FUTURA or Perma Classic must be replaced with a new lubrication system filled with the same lubricant. For correct disposal, please follow the individual waste disposal regulations in your country. For more information, please check the operating instructions.